Yoshiko here from Cooking with Yoshiko. Today I'm in the no meat my kitchen and I'm gonna show you super easy edamame spread, which is fabulous with crackers or raw veggies or toasted bread. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. Edamame, the young soybeans. It is hard to get the fresh edamame, so I'm using the frozen edamame. You can use a 500-gram edamame with shell, or you can use a 200-gram shelled frozen edamame. So you can have a look here. So, shelled or, just the frozen edamame, that's what you have to do. But some of the edamame is pre-salted, so make sure that you use unsalted edamame, or if you use a salted one, just reduce the amount of the salt. And what are we going to use here is, yes, 200-gram of shelled edamame, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the salt, and the lemon juice. That's it. First, cook the frozen edamame in boiling water for 5 minutes. Okay, now the edamame has been boiling for 5 minutes, so I am going to drain and rinse with cold water. So come with me. So now put all the ingredients in a food processor and process until smooth. So, edamame, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and sea salt, and the lemon juice. Make it more. I like shaking. Anyway. If you like the smoother and the looser, you can actually always add a little bit more water or olive oil. I might put a little bit more water today to make it a little bit smoother. That's it. I think it's done. So this spread is amazing, the protein source. Everybody asks, where's my protein coming from? But yeah, this is a great source of protein. And also that this is like, lemon and salt. That's it. But you can actually put the curry powder. My favorite is a lot of lime juice and the cracked black pepper. That's gorgeous too. So you can create your own flavor as well. Now it's time to eat. So grab here. In here. So I'm gonna pop in here and put a little bit the edamame on top and put some rice cracker. I use a brown rice cracker for the healthier version, but anyway, you can do the unhealthy one, of course. Here you go, that's done. So this is amazing for the no meat made dinner party starter, and it's yummy and healthy. Okay, oops, I broke it, but who cares?